In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up your Windows 10 computer by removing unnecessary junk files using a built-in tool called Disk Cleanup. If you've been experiencing a slowdown in your computer's performance, this straightforward method can help you clear out some clutter and get things running more smoothly. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open the Start menu. Simply press the Windows key on your keyboard. Once the Start menu is open, look towards the bottom where you'll find the search bar. In this search bar, type Disk Cleanup. After you type that in, you should see the Disk Cleanup app appear in the list of search results. Click on this app to open it up. When you launch Disk Cleanup, a window will pop up asking you to choose which drive you wish to clean. For most users, this will be the C drive, as that's where Windows and most programs are installed. So go ahead and select the C drive, then press OK to proceed. Disk Cleanup will take a moment to calculate how much space you can potentially free up. You might need to wait a bit for this process to complete, especially if it's your first time using the tool. Once the calculation is complete, a new window will display a checklist of various file categories you can delete. For those looking to free up some space without affecting their system's functionality, I recommend selecting temporary files, cached files, and thumbnails. These types of files are generally considered junk and won't interfere with your current programs or personal documents. But perhaps you're looking for an even deeper cleanup. If that sounds like you, simply click on Clean Up System Files. This will expand your options to include things like system error logs and memory dumps. Removing these can potentially free up even more space. Keep in mind that once you choose this option, the computer may take a bit longer to analyze your system, but the extra effort is often worth it. Once you've made your selections, the next step is to delete these files. To do this, just click OK. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete these files. Confirm by selecting Yes or Delete Files. Disk Cleanup will then proceed with removing the junk files, which should result in more available space and a more responsive Windows 10 system. And there you have it. By running Disk Cleanup, you can significantly improve your computer's speed and efficiency, all without the need to download any additional software. With just a few clicks, you're on your way to a faster and more streamlined Windows 10 experience. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.